Alright guys, this is Ceech with Erickson. We are going to break down the cross step. Okay, so what you saw is the different elements that we had in cross step. We have the salsa step, and then we start crossing our legs. Then we also have the body, rocking with the body, and also the level change where we're going up and then down, up and down. So in this series we're going to try to, or in this video, we are going to try to break down each element one at a time to show you how we do the cross step. Alright, here we go. Let's do the first element. First element is the salsa step. Okay? So the rhythm, first thing you got to get is the rhythm. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. I'm going to have Erickson demonstrate just a little bit more. I'm going to point out. He's going to just step out on the 1. So his body, so a lot of times when we teach this, a lot of students go like this. They go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, where their whole body is shifting. Watch as Erickson do this move. His body, look at his head, look at his shoulders, and from the waist down, he's shifting. However, from the waist up, his chest and shoulder are relatively stable in place. Okay? So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. That's our salsa step. Alright? So you want to try to get that. Alright, now the second element, or the level 2, what you want to do is start crossing your leg. Okay? Let's try that for a second. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. I'm going to turn to the side. Erickson's going to face the front. Watch on the 1. Okay? 1, I'm stepping out. Erickson's going to step out. The and part, from the side view, you can see what I'm doing. 1 and. Notice my left leg is going to scoop back. And on the 2, I'm going to put it right. My right leg is going to be right in front of my left leg. Okay? One more time. Let's do it together. Erickson's going to show you the front view. I give you the side view. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Alright? From here, 3 and 4. Left leg is going to go out. 3 and. On the and, notice my right leg is going to go straight back. And 4. Left leg is going to go in front. Okay? There we go. Together. Right side, then left side. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay? Let's do it one more time. This time we're going to go all the way to 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Good. Okay guys, now we're going to go to our third element, which is the level. Okay? The level change. So, we're going to get to our first level, which is 1 and 2, or salsa step. Level 2 is where we start crossing. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now watch the level change. 1 and 2. I want to exaggerate the 2. Notice I really bring my body down. Both my knees are bent. Okay? So again, I start here, 7, 8. 1. On the 1, I rise up a little. So right when I start, I don't want to stand straight up here. I want to start slightly down. Okay? Make sure you're about an inch or 2 inches below your maximum height. So I want to start just right here. Okay? With my knees slightly bent. So I got the side view. Erickson got the front view. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 5 and 6. 7 and 8. So we're really exaggerating, bringing it down. Down on the 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay? One more time. Both of us are going to face front. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? Along with this element, I want you to cross your body. how do we cross the body? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go like this. 1 and 2, 2. Right when I cross, my right leg goes front, opposite arm cross. Thus, there's a turning of the body. Okay? Together, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. On the 4, opposite side turning. Boom, 4. It's a little swing across, and we both snap at the same time. All right? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Good. All right, guys. Now we're going to add our other element, which is what I call the thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So literally, what we're doing is our our hip is going back while our chest is going forward. Okay. So what I want you to imagine, I'm asking Erickson to imagine there's a drum right in front of his chest. He's going to hit the drum in his chest. Also, at the same time, there's a drum right behind his tailbone. He's going to hit the drum this way. Boom. 1 and 2 and 3 and perfect. Okay, so now he's going to face front. I got the side view. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? So one of the key things that I want you to remember is also, after you go 1 and, you got to bring your hip back forward. Okay? A lot of students I've seen, the mistake was this. 1, 2, and they just stay down. Okay? You got to make sure you bring it back to a neutral position here, then you can go again. All right? So, this is probably the most difficult part of this move, is where we're adding this to all the previous move. Okay? It's going to take a little practice, but we'll get it. Let's try it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. All right, this time we're going to go for 2 8 counts. All right, again, without music, with our counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Nice.